Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Nani, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Happy Saturday, guys! So today I wanted to hop on real quick and show you my latest purchase. So we're gonna do a really quick unboxing. If you watched my Christian Louboutin short a couple of weeks ago, where I showed you the Christian Louboutin shoes that I purchased that did not fit, or a slingback heel, and it just was not working for me. I've been on the hunt for a pair of luxury shoes. I mentioned I have a couple of weddings coming up this spring, and so I wanted to get a new pair of shoes. Originally, I haven't been a luxury shoe type of girl, just because like I feel like with handbags and things like that, like they're more worth the money just because you're not gonna really get them messed up. I feel like with shoes, obviously, like the more you wear them, the more there is like wear and tear on them and that they start to deteriorate. And I just haven't been like sure that that's what I want to spend my money on, something that I know is going to deteriorate as I continue to wear them. But here we are. I've decided to get a pair of designer shoes and I hope they're worth it. The only designer shoes that I have are a pair of Hermes Oran sandals, which I do love, and I feel like they were worth the money. But I don't know. But I feel like I'm kind of late to the game with these shoes. They've been out for quite some time. I'm not sure of the history of them, but I know that I've been seeing them around for a while, and so I'm glad that I waited to get them, just because I've just been trying to be very conscious of like not buying things that are too trendy. I want to get pieces that will be around for a while and that won't go out of style, you know, make it worth the coins. So let's get into it, guys. As usual, we've got our huge big box here. I've already cut the tape. This box is so huge, but if you can see the tissue paper, it says we've got a little item from Tom Ford. So this is my first Tom Ford purchase. I'm sure you guys can probably guess what I've got because all the influencers, all the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube girlies wear these shoes, but I wanted a pair for myself. So here is the box and ribbon that they came in. And we're just gonna slide this ribbon off. Let's see what's inside. But also, it's Saturday. We went to breakfast, now having a mimosa, so what's inside? A lot of tissue. So we've got this little baby. It says Tom Ford. What is in here? Oh, just some extra little thingamabobs for the bottom of the shoe. Is that a sign that the ones that they come with tend to come off or they don't last as long? You guys, you girlies that have these, let me know. Is it worth it? I hope it is. Got our dust bag for the shoes, so 2 dust bags, nice and soft and velvety. Then we have the gorgeous shoes. I love it. Which one do I go with first? The paper. I'm gonna have to take this out because it's just like in the way and preventing us from seeing all that we have here. So cute. We're gonna take that off so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm back. So I've got the plastic off. So it's so cute with that little padlock on the side. And then we've got this gold heel. That's the bottom, which they nice, you know, are so nice to give you a replacement for it. Oh yeah, there's the key. I didn't even, so it's the lock and the key. And I just think they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful shoe. I love the contrast in the color. Let me give you the actual information on the shoe. It's the Tom Ford laminated Napa leather padlock pointy naked sandal. So I got it in the silver color with the gold hardware, I guess you would say. So the gold heel and the gold padlock and key, which I thought was really nice. The gold buckle. I thought it'd be a nice contrast. I love gold. That's just like my color. But I also didn't want a gold pair of shoes. Like I didn't want a fully gold pair of shoes. So I like the fact that I got it with the silver and then has some gold accents. So they're 105 mm iconic metal spike heel, adjustable buckle strap, buckles with engraved Tom Ford logo. The lining is black leather. The insole is black leather with a gold embossed Tom Ford. I got them in a size, I believe these are 38.5. Most of the time, like I wear a 7.5, but I'm starting to find that in designer shoes, I have to go bigger because just of how, you know, with how they're made. So that is that. I just think it's so pretty. The price is a little pricey. They were $1,350. So that's where I get like, eek. Like hopefully it's worth it. I'm sure it is. Like I see so many people with these shoes. I know people also say that they hurt, so I probably will need to break them in before, especially if I'm wearing them to a wedding and we're going to be dancing. If I'm not bringing a change of shoes, then I should like wear them around the house or something like that to try to break them in and get comfortable with them. But other than that, I just think that they're beautiful. I cannot wait to wear them. I think they're gonna look so good on, and I'm excited. What do you guys think? If anybody has a pair of these, let me know if you feel that it's worth the money. If you you know, if you find that they're comfortable or uncomfortable, let me know your thoughts. But I like it. Also, I didn't do a video about this, but I did end up getting my Van Cleef bracelet resized. So I got just 1 inch taken out, I believe. I wanted to get 2 just to make it a little bit tighter, but the SA that was helping me, she had me try them on, or sample ones or whatever, in different sizes, and I struggled to get it on and off by myself with the one that would have taken 2 inches off of my bracelet. So she told me to just go with just one I think it's 1 inch off. So here's how it looks. Still, you know, hangs and moves around, but it's much better than what it was before. It was too big. So I don't know, I'm trying to decide. Like I still feel like I should have gotten, I don't know, it doesn't make sense, because if I wouldn't have been able to put it on and take it off myself, then why would I have gotten that size? But I do. Also, I was like, if I gain any weight, like I don't want it to be too tight and then have to get it like put back in. So I don't know. This is what we've got right now. So this is sort of like my stack that I wear on the weekend. So this is my Cartier cord bracelet, and then my diamond tennis bracelet, and then I do my Van Cleef and Cartier on this side as well. So that's where we are, guys. So cheers to the weekend. Hopefully this video isn't too boring, but let me know what you think of these Tom Ford sandals, and I will try them on hopefully, because I haven't gotten my feet done in a minute, but I have gel, so hopefully they'll still like be okay to try on and show you guys what they look like on. But if not, then you just won't see that in the video. I'm also getting over a cold. But anyway, if you've lasted this long, thanks so much for joining me. If you're new here, thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're into these types of things, unboxings and reviews, vlogs, things like that. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for joining me again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.